You know, all I wanna do is keep my love rocking right next to you.
Mix.
You know I do. Hey, this is Nikisha Lindo, bigging up Ghettoyouthssoundz, Xplosive and Jahmakah. Bless every time.
There's gonna be peace in time. It's gonna be helpful in our mind. We're gonna dig out all the joys and goodness, leave the negative behind. We're gonna search our hearts, yeah. We're gonna do our part. We're gonna be brotherly, sisterly, neighborly, heavenly, right? So do your part. Our party will be going on. Oh, my dance and guns will be on. Bring only love, laughter, praises and thanks into the house of the Most High. There's gonna be peace in time. We're gonna be helpful in our mind. We're gonna take out all the joy, goodness, leave the negative behind. We're gonna look deep in our hearts, yeah. We're gonna do our part. Gonna be brotherly, sisterly, neighborly, heavenly, right? So do your part. Your eyes are sunshine in the sky. The tears will drop from your eyes. There will be a future here, and everyone will get to see. Oh yeah. The world is in trouble. Wars and rumors of wars. But after a storm, there must be calm. And this is what we're celebrating: everlasting love. There's gonna be peace in time. We're gonna be up in our mind. We're gonna dig out all the goodness.
Teach them to fuss and fight, cause we bust them kids again. Rastaman, bust them kids, rip it up again. Yes, we bust them kids again. We Babylon, bust them kids, rip it up again. Yes, watch them a come with them Jehovah. We're gonna chase them with Jehovah. Watch them and look and shake. In wickedness we don't partake, cause we bust them kids again. Rastaman, bust them kids, rip it up again. Yes, we bust them kids again. Babylon, bust them kids, rip it up again. Yo, calling on freedom fighters, calling on the buffalo soldiers. Time to take your stand. Almighty God is a living man. Yeah. If united we stand, no way we can fall. Unity is strength. You better listen when the master calls, cause we bust them kids again. Rastaman, bust them kids, bust it up again. Yes, we bust them kids again. The Babylon, bust them kids, rip it up again. Yo. Too long we've been used, battered and abused, mistreated and victimized, wrongfully accused. Almighty God is the light. He's the only way. Sees all things that's hidden. The universe
Because how could you not love religion? Something's got to be wrong with you. And we all should be aware of it. Yeah. Because how could you not love it? Hey. I feel the vibes when I hear the music. Don't wanna know what I would be without it. But there's someone always thinking otherwise. My next door neighbor think I'm making noise. They don't know what's going on. And they don't stop to think, to realize music is life. Oh boy, now they don't know what's going on. life. Whoa, whoa. Friends and children, everyone dancing. Hear the crowd, everyone cheering. Person got to be out of his mind. Wanna stop something so divine. They don't know what's going on. They need to stop and think and realize music is life. Whoa, they don't know what's going on. They need to stop and think and realize music is life. Whoa, music, music, music. Music is life. Oh, music, yeah. Oh, yeah. What do you do when folks don't socialize and you're in a mood to build a little vibe? Turn your radio on and push it to the max. Lock them out your world, just kick back, relax, cause they don't know what's going on.
You see, no tears, no tears. Oh, Jah will guide you. Ooh. From these eyes you see, no tears, no tears. Oh, Jah will guide you. Ooh. Early one Sunday, I went to see a friend. He always greet me smiling. This time he was crying. I said, sit, let's talk for a minute. He said, bro, I can't feed my kids no more. I lost my job and I'm tired of these locked doors. So I say, don't worry, oh, Jah will guide you through. He's done it for me and he'll do it for you. No tears, yes. No tears, yes. We sat there reminiscing on all the sufferings. We talk about the good and bad and times that made us sad. No mama, no papa to keep our heads together. Only good open dreams to guide us to the future. I can see that you're coming under.
In this land
that you believe,
when we see the blessings of the Most High, that's when we'll see the change. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, sing and shout out this praise. Cause this is what we need. Shut it down. To overthrow the slave masters. Cut it down. Workers of evil can't prosper. Cut it down. Wickedness will lead to disaster. Shut it down. And Babylon is bound to turn over. Although we walk through the shadows of death, I and I will fear no evil. The blessings of God will comfort me. Now I'm determined to be free. And if I live with my brothers and sisters in love and unity, I know the armor of God is always around me. Ingredients that I need. Shut it down. To overthrow the slave masters. Cut it down. The workers of evil can't prosper. Lock it down. Wickedness will lead to disaster. Shut it down. And Babylon is bound to turn over. For 400 years we've been working. It's time to have some fun. Babylon can't fire me cause I'm undone. I've just signed my resignation. I'm like a tree supplying them with fruits. It is time to go back to my roots, to worship my Father in spirit and truth. Come to beat the wicked down. Shut it down. Over overthrow the slave master. Workers of evil can prosper.
This is no mystery. Whoa. That the world is full of confusion. Check out your history. Yeah. There has always been a solution. In the midst of war there is peace. Let the love of our Father increase. Stand up and unite. There's no reason to fight. Where there is wrong, let's make it right, and the world will be a better place. For I don't ever wanna fight. All I wanna do is unite. Whoa, yeah. Sure as the sun shines, yes, we can make this world a better place. It's yours and it's mine. Yeah. Together we can hide all evil traits. All we need is love to survive. No more greed, no wars in our lives. Stand up and unite. There's no reason to fight. Where there is wrong, let's make it right, and the world will be a better place. For I don't ever wanna fight. All I wanna do is unite. I don't ever wanna fight. All I wanna do is unite. All we need is love to survive.
Don't point your finger at me or no one else. You should always try to live respectful. Live a life that's true and upful. Don't be greedy of the need and live less. Live more you receive, so must you give. If a change is gonna come, goodness will not be run. Internally, we right the wrong. Individually and collectively, we must agree. Love is the key, the future is in our hand. We shouldn't stray from the master plan. And you, in return, all depends on what we do on this land. Life is a gift and we must be thankful. To the Father say we must be grateful. Don't be selfish, don't be jealous. That's enough for everyone. If a change is gonna come, goodness will offer run. Internally, we'll right the wrong. Most definitely and positively, yes, naturally. Love is the key. Consciously, collectively, constructively, we must agree to end this misery. Whoa now, whoa now, yeah. Change. If you want to make a change in this world, first you must change yourself. No point in you laying the blame.
Innocents are trapped in the and they never stop their line. But I see a rainbow, and the dark clouds are always hanging. I see a river flowing, but tranquility's on the outside knocking. And the sun shining down on the land, but it's cold. Oh, saying something's gotta be done real soon. Saying people on the streets they're crying. Saying violence got us trapped and doomed. Saying time to stop the senseless killing. Saying something's gotta be done real soon. Saying people on the streets they're crying. Saying innocents are trapped and doomed. Saying and they never stop their lying. I see the children, how their future is slowly slipping. I see love, yeah, trying too hard to end the suffering. Can it be that our hearts is as hard as a stone? voice, it's calling you, calling you. The Father's voice, it's calling you, calling you. Got to defeat the hands of the wicked. And thereby see, they're gonna feel it. Only the righteous will stand. Oh, living in the love of the Father's plan. Make use of all of probability. Father's love, oh, unity. So we can tear down the walls of Babylon. Yeah, deep in the heart of the wicked man. Tear down the walls of Babylon. Oh, deep in the heart of the wicked man. I hear the thunder roll, it's warning you, warning you. The thunder roll, it's warning you, warning you. Must keep the name with the higher power. Must keep saying the chant of Babylon Tower. Evil will never prevail. Oh no, 'cause when them think them will not fail, them will fail. We're going in with intensity. For freedom, love, equality. We're gonna tear down the walls of Babylon. Deep in the heart of the wicked man. Tear down the walls of Babylon. Oh, deep in the heart of the wicked man. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh,
I speak to him on a daily basis, and he take me through all of my crises. Jerry, my God is real. My God is real. Listen, Father, I stand before you this day, testify and praise your holy name. Our Lord, lead me through the righteous path. Flow your love all through my heart and make me a better man each day, so I can teach them. Fools say in their hearts there's no God, but I say those fools are crazy, 'cause I speak to him on a daily basis, and I know he take me through my crisis. Jari, 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 he's so real. Yeah, yeah. Who gave you life? Knowledge and understanding. Water your plants so you can have bread. Yeah, yeah. So full of love. He gives us his mercy. Higher heights, yet he's trade a trade. Jari, don't run no risk with him down the real Jari. Jari, run no risk with my God, no. Oh, Jari, fools say in their hearts there's no God, but I say those fools are crazy.
Got to survive, got to survive. If it's the key to life, get up in the morning. There's a lot of obstacles in my way. That could never stop my day to day. I need some bread on the table. Hope you're willing and able. We've been holding too much punishment too long. I got to survive to stay alive. Got to survive. It is the key to life. How is it that we suffer so much poverty? Not to mind. I know you feel the pain. No one shows no sympathy. Mothers cry and brothers cry and sisters cry. You know why? Too much youth in prison, and we now give up. Nah. My God! Got to survive to stay alive.
them all. If we mix with the enemy, how them a go fall? And we sleep with the enemy, how them a go fall? Think like the enemy, how them a go fall? Now keep the Sabbath so we can't stand tall. Now live by the Torah so we don't stand a chance against these Gentiles with them crystal balls. Now show me who a suffer, now show me who a starve, now show me who a live big and who a live large. Babylon is to blame and the Gentile is the cause. And them capture we and them take we from we yard. And them slave we and them take we come abroad. And tell we so we live by the mighty God laws. Make we ask the mighty Jah, strike them with thunderball. We know say them a phony, we know say them a fraud. So anti-devil squad, yes we taking full charge. For a long time we hear you say Babylon down kings are go fall. So while we are full of them churches and shopping at them all. No long time we hear you say Babylon down kings are go fall. So while we are full of them churches and shopping at them all. Nebuchadnezzar come and fail, he was the king of Babylon. Then King Cyrus came, he was the king of the Persian. Then the Greeks them come, followed by the Roman. As the chief pagan, them start the religion. And them write the gospel and them are Christian.
And a mission to accomplish my Father's command in a world of changes, world of rages. Nothing stays original, your replica. Devils all around. I see you wolf in lion clothing, of your style and proposing. Step aside, perpetrator, fireborn, evildoer. By the bomb and the gun, them control them. By the book and the stone, them control them. Puppet on the street. Yeah, things is the same wherever you go. People are people, not you to know. You're not superior, I'm not inferior. And I want you to know, hey, I'm a now out to the system. Are they caught in propaganda, telling lies on your brother to receive vanity? Up your sell out, sell out, sell out. Up your buy out, buy out, buy out. Bad mouth, leave the air. Oh, I'm a now bound to the system.
Remember humanity right now. We need peace and equality. Make we live right, unite, live in harmony, yeah. Cause the ways of the just shall surely be blessed, yeah. And the unrighteous shall be confounded and poured by their wickedness. You know, no, 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 no. Leave out of Babylon and seek out righteousness. Oh yeah. Open your heart and live with love and stop focusing on consciousness. Oh, one love. We need love and unity. Remember mercy. Remember humanity. Right now, we need peace and equality. Make we live right, unite, live in harmony, yeah. Oh, listen up and pay attention, cause people are dying. Not to mention the sufferers sighing. Is it convention to ignore their crying? Father, help us put away our greed and our lying. No, one love, we need love and unity. Remember mercy, remember humanity. Right now, we need peace and equality. Make we live right, unite, live in harmony, yeah. Live in harmony, yeah, yeah. Done with deceptions and evil conceptions. Let's break the bonds of ignorance, free our minds and change our direction.
When you took away my rights and refused to educate me, how can you really blame me for my status in society? When you oppress and victimize me,
my language, Babylon. Then you took my name, Babylon. You took my labor and gave me nothing in return. You subtract my wealth, Babylon. Then you add oppression, yeah. You divide my people, Babylon, in many directions. So how can you really blame me for being so long in poverty? When you took away my rights and refused to educate me, how can you really blame me for my status in society? When you oppress and victimize me and just won't let me be. Babylon, 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 you're crucifying me. Hey, Babylon, 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 you're so ruthless. Oh yeah, yes.
Say me no read them kind of wicked men. Say me no like them kind of Babylon. Say me no read them kind of wicked men. I go beat down Babylon. 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 This might cause a revolution. I go beat down Babylon. 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 This might cause a revolution. Say me no like them kind of Babylon. Say me no rate them kind of wicked men. Say me no like them kind of Babylon. Say me no rate them kind of wicked men. I go beat down Babylon. 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 Kick them, kick them. Kick them, kick them.
Jahmakah.
I go beat down
Jahmakah
Babylon.
in the place. Reggae Rise Up. You don't know you in the place. Reggae Rise Up.